Maintaining your vendors and products, account and site administrators. As an account or site admin, you will need to know how to maintain your vendor account numbers, enable or disable products, assign margins, etc. This video will cover the Products submenu of the Admin tab. Logged in as an account admin, click on the Admin tab. Click on Products from the lower menu bar. At first glance, you will see your list of vendors, a section for products, and a section for styles. No products will show in the Products section until you highlight a vendor. Click on any vendor to highlight. We will use Horizons for our example. The Products section is now populated with a list of Horizons products. Now click on any product to highlight it. The Styles section is now populated with styles for the selected product. Let's go back up to the Vendors section to review what we see there. The vendor's account number is shown in the Account Number column. This is the only column that can be edited. To add or edit the account number for a vendor, click the Update button to the right of the vendor. Type your account number in the field provided, then click Update again or click Cancel to cancel. Orders cannot be sent via online order processing without a vendor account number. Now let's take a look at the Products section. Changes can be made here to individual products or several products in bulk. To make a change to an individual product, click the Update button to the right of the product. Check or uncheck the Enabled column to enable or disable the product. Disabled products will not be seen in the list of products when creating a quote. If you have an existing quote that is using a product that has been disabled, that quote or sale can still be viewed and or edited, but new quotes cannot be created using the disabled product. When you view a line item that uses a disabled product, you will see an orange bar informing you that the product has been disabled. Back to the Products window. You can also add or remove the check in the Taxable column to determine if the product is taxable. You can enter a new or edit an existing margin in the Margin column. Margins should be entered as numbers only. No other characters are allowed in this field. You can enter a new or edit an existing net margin in the Net Margin column. Net margins are only applied on products that have net surcharges. Only a few products have these. Net surcharges are charges where the vendor discount is not applied. Therefore, your cost is the same as the customer's price, unless you add a net margin. The Surcharge column is where you can add a hidden surcharge to this product that will be added to the customer's price. This is sometimes used to add shipping charges for each product individually. When you are finished making your changes to the product, click Update again or Cancel to cancel. Bulk changes can also be made in this section. To make a bulk change, highlight all the products you wish to change, use the Shift or Control key to highlight multiple products, then make the change in one or more of the fields at the top of the Products section and click Apply. The Styles section has three of the same columns as the Products section: Margin, Net Margin, and Surcharge. Changes can be made to each style individually using the Update button to the right of each style, or in bulk using the Action bar. If a margin is assigned to a style, it will override any margin entered at the product level. The net margin works in the same way. The style level will override the product level. The surcharge works a little differently. If a surcharge is assigned at both the product and style levels, they will be added together in order entry. We will add a $10 surcharge to all styles to see how this works in order entry. Highlight all styles together. Place a 10 in the surcharge field in the action bar and click Apply. In our example, looking at the product Horizons Custom Drapery Side Panels Style Grommet Drapery, we have assigned a 50% margin at the product level, a net margin of 30% also at the product level, a $5 surcharge at the product level, and a $10 surcharge at the style level. Let's see what this looks like in order entry. The margin percent is where your margin is used. This determines the amount that is added to your cost. The net surcharge margin percent is where your net margin is used. The net margin will not affect the price unless there is a net surcharge, so the price is not affected here. The item surcharge is where the surcharge comes in. Shown here, it is $15 because we had $5 at the product level and $10 at the style level. If you are a site admin, these same changes can be made at the site level or at the account level. To make changes at the site level, log in as a site admin and click on the Admin tab. Then click on Products in the lower menu bar. This screen looks similar to the one we looked at as an account admin, with a couple of small differences. First, at the site level, there is no account number column in the vendor section. Vendor account numbers must be assigned at the account level because different accounts may have different account numbers. Second, the site admin has the ability to assign products to individual accounts here. To do this, highlight the product you want to assign and click Assign To. A new screen will show a list of accounts in the site. Place a check mark next to each account that needs access to the product, then click Save. Any changes made at the site level will only apply to accounts created after the change is made. Existing accounts will have to be changed at the account level. To look at this at the account level, click on Accounts from the lower menu bar. Then click the hyperlink of the account on which you wish to work. Now you will see an account level menu bar. Click on Products from this menu. You now have the same screen we looked at as an account admin, now being edited by the site admin. The type of focus account you have and/or your company policies will determine who will make changes to these settings.